Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you how I prepared this delicious Isi Ewu known from the eastern part of Nigeria. This delicacy is so yummy, so delicious. Stay tuned, let me show you how to prepare it. So to begin, all you need to do is go ahead and boil your Isi Ewu, and I'm using 3 goat heads. It's already washed, cleaned. Okay guys, so next just go ahead and season with your Maggi Seasonings and onions. At this moment I will go ahead and add a little bit of chili powder, and for Isi Ewu you don't need too much spices. Okay guys, at this stage I will go ahead and add some salt to taste. Add enough water to cook the Isi Ewu. Allow it to cook. Keep watching. So lovely, to achieve this recipe you will be needing your ehuru, local nutmeg, and your crayfish. Go ahead and blend it together just as you are seeing right now. At this stage guys, the goat's head is ready, is well cooked. So right now I will be removing all the bones. And for the brain, I'm going to separate it away from the real meat because I will be needing it for the ngo, which is the sauce for the Isi Ewu. Continue watching. So right now guys, I'm done removing all the bones from the Isi Ewu, the ones I don't need. Next is to start with the ngo. I will be needing my Natron. This is Potash. If you have akamu, that is the real Potash, you can also use it, but this is what we have here in Germany. I'm going to mix it very well with cold water. Make sure your pot is not hot. For those of you who doesn't know, Natron is also a baking soda. So next, just go ahead and add your red palm oil and make sure you mix very well until you get this color you are seeing right on your screen. Okay guys, keep watching. At this moment, I will be adding in the blended crayfish with ehuru that I introduced earlier in this video. Mix very well. Next, go ahead and add your chili powder. For this recipe, in fact, you don't want to achieve this recipe without adding enough chilies. Like, if you don't like pepper, is also okay. Next, I will go ahead and be adding my ogiri, and which is local spice. I will list out all the ingredients in the description box. Take note, guys. Next, I added my salt to taste. Go ahead and mix very well. At this moment, I will be adding in the goat's brain that I removed before earlier on this video. Mix everything very well. At this moment, I added a little stock water from the goat meat. You can also skip it if you don't want yours to be a little watery. For me, I love this sauce. I enjoy licking it, so that is why I want it to be watery a little bit. So at this stage, I added in a Maggi seasoning. Next is to give it a good mix. So guys, after mixing, next I'm going to go ahead and slice some onions inside the sauce. If you are not a lover of onions, you can skip this part, but believe me, if you want a good result, make sure you add enough onions. You cannot prepare Isiewu and not having enough onions on it. You are missing. So next is to go ahead and add all the boiled goat head inside the sauce and make sure you give it a good mix. So at this moment, I will be going in with sliced onions again. Next is to go ahead and add in my Utazi. This Utazi is a game changer. It gives the Isiewu another kind of taste. Believe me guys, if you want to achieve a delicious Isiewu, you need Utazi. At this stage, I will be adding in some more chilies. Like if you are eating Isiewu and it's not hot, like it's not sharp, guys, you are missing. You know, especially right now that the weather is very cold, we are in winter, we need something that is so sharp, so hot. Yes, that is how to calm this weather down. But before I forget, if you are new to my channel, hello, let's be friends. Click that sign that says subscribe so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis, and to my returning subscribers, I heart you guys. So tell me what you think. Are you going to try this delicious Isiewu, or have you ever tasted this delicious Isiewu? Like, is known from the eastern part of Nigeria. This is a special delicacy and is so delicious. The outcome is sugary lekker. Okay, my lovelies, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you watch this video to this extent, don't forget to share your thoughts. Tell me what you think. Are you gonna try it? Have you ever tasted it? And just let's gist at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye. Ciao.